Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to loud your microphone on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Discord and click on user settings, and now click on voice and video, and here we can see the input volume and output volume. Input device, from here select your mic or microphone, and after that if you want to loud your microphone, then you have to increase this input volume level. And this also we can loud our microphone on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.